Hi guys, I'm going to quickly show you a polling feature in Zoom. It's something that's really just embedded into the meeting, and you can just quickly get an idea of if the students are understanding what you are talking about or not talking about, or it's just a fun icebreaker activity. The trick is you have to have it set up before you start your meeting for that day. So the first thing you have to do is go to settings, and then you're going to I don't want to scroll all the way down, so I'm just going to search for a poll, and then so Control F if you don't know that trick. So polling, make sure this is checked for yes, allow polling, okay, and then you're going to go back and you're going to go to schedule a meeting. You can schedule a meeting. We'll just do that. And then my meeting, we'll just title it 3 because I have a couple practice meetings. Schedule it, do everything that you need to do, and then you're going to click save, okay? So now that the meeting's made, right, then if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you're going to see that you're going to see the polling option. So it says you have not created a poll yet. So you click add, okay, and then you could do practice, poll, and then anonymous, I haven't really messed around with it too much, but I know there's an option where they could register and you could treat it more like a pop quiz. I can make a video on that later, but this is just more for the anonymous. Just quickly get an idea of how your class is feeling. So how are you doing with distance learning, right? And then you could just say terrible, okay, or great, right? Or you could even put love it. You can put as many on there as you want, okay? And then you're going to scroll to the bottom, and there is, I can move that so I can see, there is a save button. You can add as many questions as you want, and then it'll be ready for you. You can always edit it, add more later, whatever you guys want to do. But I will show you how it looks from the student end. All right, so you're going to just go to start meeting whenever that time comes. And then join.
Okay. Then please wait for the host to start this meeting.
Okay. Jake's going to do it on the student end so you guys can see what it looks like. All right, so once you guys are in your Zoom, okay, you are going to, of course, see your waiting room. You can admit Jake, I guess, okay. And then once he's on there and you're ready to go, let's say you just have a full class, but it doesn't matter. We just have 2 of us right here. So you're just going to go to polls right here at the bottom, and you're just going to click launch poll. And then on Jake's screen, he is going to be able to see basically this box right here. And then you're just going to, you can give him a time limit. You can ask him to answer. Okay, and then we see it in real time, okay? And then you can go ahead and, if it's been 30 seconds and you're like, that's the cutoff, you can end the polling, okay? And then you have the option to share the results with the students, okay, which is what I'm going to do. And so it pops up on their screen so they can kind of see how everybody did. And then if it's just like a true and false thing, you can keep relaunching the poll just so you don't have to make like 10 true and false questions. Just like maybe read it off your screen or something. But I just thought it was a good tool. Just keeps the kids engaged or accountable while you're on a Zoom.